Hi, it's Mike.
In Excel, if you highlight your data, so left click on the first square you want to highlight and then drag your mouse along to the last square, there's a little icon there that you can press that gives you several other options. If you wanted to add them into your Excel sheet, for instance, you could add a chart, and you can move this around by pressing and holding the mouse left button and moving the mouse. If you drag again, there's all sorts of options in this menu, so you could get the totals. There's also the sum. As well as various other options to have a look at.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.